Hi friends, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare egg Ghotala. This is a famous street food in Mumbai and they also refer this as a bachelor's delight. There is three different stages how I prepare this egg Ghotala. First I prepare the onion and tomato masala, and then I prepare the boiled egg masala, combined both the masalas and prepared a gravy, and I have added raw eggs. Finally finished it off with freshly chopped cilantro. Now the ingredients required for this recipe is raw eggs. We also require boiled eggs, 3 boiled eggs, finely chopped tomato, finely chopped onion, finely chopped chilies, finely chopped garlic and finely chopped ginger. I've already soaked and reserved dried red chilies in water, warm water, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and pepper powder. I'll be using store-bought Pavbajji masala and curry powder for this recipe. We would also require butter. All the ingredients will be listed in the info box below this video, or you can visit my blog for a detailed recipe along with the ingredients. Now I've gone ahead and heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added butter. I've combined butter and dalda. So all these street food vendors use dalda. So that's how I'm preparing it. It's very authentic. They have a mixture of dalda and butter. So they add that to the wok and they prepare it. Now once the butter and dalda heats up, this is on medium flame. I'm going to fry the onion and tomato till the onion softens a bit. Just place it on medium flame and allow the onions to cook. It has to turn transparent. Now once the onion turns transparent, I will be using 2 tablespoons of this onion to grind a masala paste. I'll be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of this fried onion and tomato paste to a mixer jar, along with ginger, garlic, chopped chilies and the soaked dried red chilies. I'll be adding the chili water little by little and I'll grind this into a smooth paste. So now this masala paste is ground. This is the special masala paste that goes inside the egg Ghotala. Now coming back to the onions and tomatoes, it's still frying on medium flame. To that I've added chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and pepper powder. I'm going to fry all these ingredients on medium flame for a minute. I've also added salt as per taste. Add about 1 cup of water and cook the onions till it gets into a gravy format. Now the onions, tomatoes have wilted. It took about 10 minutes to cook and it's completely in a gravy format. I'm going to remove it from the flame and reserve it. Now in a different pan, I'm going to start preparing the boiled egg masala. I've added dalda and butter again. I'm going to use a cheese grater and grate this boiled eggs directly in the pan. I've grated all the 3 eggs. I'll fry these eggs on medium flame along with Pavbajji masala, curry powder and a little bit of chili powder. I've also added salt as per taste. I'm going to fry this eggs on medium flame just till the butter surfaces on top. Now once the butter surfaces on top, I've added the masala paste, ground masala paste that I earlier prepared. I've added it to the eggs. And I'm going to fry it for another minute. Now the masalas have surfaced on top. I've added the chili water in which I soaked the chili. So I added it to the mixer jar which I ground the masalas in. So it is approximately about 1 cup of water that I soaked the chilies in. So I didn't want to waste the masalas as well. So I added it to the mixer jar, extracted all the leftover masalas and added it back to the egg gravy. And I've also adjusted the salt. Now I'll get this egg gravy to a boil. Now once the egg gravy reaches rolling boil, I'll be adding the onion and tomatoes which I cooked earlier, and I'll cook this further. So at this point my gravy is ready. At this point you have to check for yourself how liquidy you want your gravy to be. If you want it to be very liquidy, then place it on very low flame and add the raw eggs right away. If you want it a little bit dry, then place it on high flame and allow the excess moisture to evaporate. I like it semi-liquidy. So at this point I'm going to add the raw eggs. Now once I added the raw eggs, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of chili powder, pepper powder, and the leftover chopped green chilies that I have. I'll be covering it and cooking it for 5 minutes on very low flame. Now after 5 minutes, my eggs are done. My egg Ghotala is ready. You can garnish it with coriander and mint leaves. You can sprinkle onions, raw onions, tomatoes. It's up to you. I like to add all the toppings, so I've added chopped onion, tomatoes, chilies, freshly chopped coriander, and I've finished the gravy. Now finally you have to sprinkle a little bit of salt for that eggs, and that's about it. The egg Ghotala is ready. It's very simple to prepare. I've gone ahead and served it with soft pav buns. My family really enjoyed it. This is a perfect Sunday brunch. I'll post a detailed recipe in the info box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will lead you to my blog. All the links to my social media, that is Instagram, Facebook and Twitter links, will be in the info box below this video. I've also translated and posted the same recipes in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. I've gone ahead and served my egg Ghotala with some butter fried or butter toasted naans. Turned out really good. We enjoyed it. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.